Good afternoon, everyone, traders, and welcome back to the Altrady channel. Hello, Soda Netherlands. You are on the right time. Welcome back. As every week, we are here for our weekly crypto market recap and macro insight into what is really driving prices beyond the background noise. And as always, I'm joined by Dimitro. Hi, Dimitro, how are you today?
Hi Rafa, hello everyone. I'm doing very well, thank you. And yeah, I would say it's been an interesting week, not just in terms of price action, but yeah, especially for what's happening beneath the surface. So between macro factors, volatility, and institutional flows. What do you think, Rafa?
Oh yeah, another interesting week. And I mean it's almost gone, the third week of January, and we are here to analyze many facts. And yeah, as you say, Dimitro, exactly overall it has been a positive week for the crypto sector, not only for Bitcoin, but with mixed signals that are worth analyzing calmly. As
Yeah.
always, we want to only at price, but also at macro context, market structure, and objective data. In the second part, of course, we will move directly to the charts and analyze them more deeply. So, first, let's start with the macro side because this week the focus was clearly on US inflation. CPI data came out perfectly in line with expectations, both year over year and on core inflation, as we can see here on the chart. Dimitro?
Yes, and this is actually, I would say, that's a key point because yeah, the market, as I remember, the market didn't react with volatility at all. I mean, which shows that inflation is now largely priced in.
Yeah, and the rate the last Tuesday release data was 2.7%, so in line with our forecast. And if we look at the long term trend, inflation is no longer the central issue for markets at these interest rate levels. It's very difficult to see a renewed acceleration in inflation. I mean, above over 3%.
Yeah, and in fact, in my personal view, I mean, the main risk now is the opposite. Yeah, we are starting to see signs of labor market slow down, gradual rise in unemployment, and actually technical stress within the global financial system. Yeah, so as we can see, the U.S. unemployment rate. Yeah.
Yeah, right. I open it for
It's
you. Yeah, Dimitro, exactly as you say. Here we have the chart, United States unemployment rate. That is crucial. I mean, less employment means, of course, lower consumption in the medium to long term, which leads to a cooling of the real economy.
yeah, and when the economy slows, markets begin to look ahead actually, so anticipating potential shifts in the monetary environment. So I can say it's like not immediately, but the topic of rate cuts will come back on the table later on.
Yeah, I agree. And as we can see here from 2023, the trend is definitely on the wrong side for the unemployment rate because it is rising since January 2023. The rate was 3.5%, the average rate, and now we are over 4%, reaching a peak of 4.5%. So it's
Yeah, but
precisely,
we
yeah,
can see how it yeah make bigger and bigger from 2023. Yeah.
yeah, you're right. I mean, in 2 years, uh, no, sorry, 3 years. Now we are in 2026. So, yeah, in 3 years, I mean, there is a increasing curve on this side, and yeah, it is precisely in this context that assets like Bitcoin start to be viewed not just as speculative instruments, but also as an alternative macro asset. Yeah, now let's move to the chart, guys, because this is where the most
Yeah.
interesting part of the week took place, right, Dimitra?
Yeah, 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 exactly.
Yeah, yeah. Analyze some Bitcoin charts. It's very interesting. So, guys, Bitcoin finally broke above the 94K last Tuesday after uh, building a very clear triple top here, and we broke this crucial level. Dimitri, what do you think?
Yeah, and I can say that important thing that this wasn't a random breakout actually. So if you remember, we talked with you last week live session. We projected this move almost perfectly. You remember that?
Oh yeah, I remember. And just give me a few seconds. I'm gonna show you right now this post.
Yeah.
So exactly. And last webinar we talked about this potential breakout, and also on Altrady X on the social media. On January 5th, we post that the Adam and Eve reversal pattern was in place, and we are seeing definitely breakout here. The price, guys, is extremely clean right now. Higher swing lows and higher swing highs. So all of this outlines a very well defined ascending channel for Bitcoin. Let me draw it in a bit, and then I give you uh, the word Dimitro. As you can see here, an ascending
Yeah,
parallel
parallel
channel.
channel. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, so when actually price moves like this, I think we there's no need like invent exotic indicators, yeah, because we have a lot of them, I think. But yeah, the market is simply telling us that healthy, structured, controlled trend. So if we have this parallel channel, we can expect what? Like long position, Rafa. What do you think?
yeah. I think is right now is a good time to accumulate some long position for me personally. The monthly target remains the 100K in this zone, which is not only a psychological level but also a highly relevant technical and option zone that I'm going to show you in a bit.
Yeah, and we are also seeing the strengthening momentum because it's accompanied by rising volumes. We can see, yeah, that as well, which is actually essential for the sustainability of this move.
Yeah, yeah, totally agree with you, Dimitro. Look at this, the last bottom on 21 November. Huge volumes step in, and now, yeah, every swing low is showing interesting buying volume. So, good point. Let's open an important parenthesis here. This week, Bitcoin ETF recorded significant inflow again. Let me open the third chart of today. Dimitro, you analyze it?
Yeah, this needs to be actually interpreted correctly. Yeah, because it doesn't mean like euphoria, but rather a phase of institutional interest. You can see it here on this Bitcoin ETF net flow, net inflow.
Yeah, exactly. Retail traders often assume price up equals ETF inflow, but it doesn't always work that way. Sometimes the market rises despite outflows, and that is a sign of structural strength. But look at these last 4 days. Massive inflow. 460 million on Friday today, 700 million of dollars yesterday, 483 million of dollars Wednesday, and almost again 400 million of dollar on Tuesday. So in 4 days, we basically saw 3 billions in inflow Bitcoin ETF. That is massive, Dimitri,
Yeah,
massive.
that's very big numbers. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and but with this what you said, I need to say that another key data point is volatility. So, Rafa, do we have big volatility right now or no?
Definitely no. What do you
Exactly.
think?
Yeah, it remains low and compressed, which is typical of accumulation phases. So,
Mhm.
or like orderly trends, yeah, not distribution. So, yeah, so we're really right now in accumulation phases, and to the what levels we can go? What do you think?
Oh yeah, I mean the limit is only the sky, but
Yeah.
actually we have some barrier before some wall, and for example on the options side, we are seeing some strong resistance between 97K and 98K for this week and for the next week.
Yeah, let's maybe get back on the chart so we can see that.
Yeah. Just here we have the option volume by strike on
Mhm.
IBIT. So IBIT is the hugest and biggest ETF from BlackRock. So for today and for next week, the resistance is here at 55. That it means on the Bitcoin spot price is around 97, 98. So for this week and the coming week, it for the next week, it will be very hard for Bitcoin to break this level because there are many traders that are selling calls on the IBIT ETF. And yeah, let's open the chart.
Yeah,
So
so yeah, we're saying about 97 and
yeah,
98K, yeah.
yeah,
And
yeah, yeah,
this is exactly inside this 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah, so this zone is
correct.
acting like a gamma wall, which will likely limit price expansion over this week and the next. So this is, I would say that that's really strong level.
Yeah. I totally agree. So, as you can see, guys, there are many things that are aligned in the same way. So, we have the fair value gap at 4 hours that is working as resistance. We have reached it uh, on 13th of January, showing a new swing high top at 98K, and then the price immediately fell down. But if we see also the volume on options, we can see that on the ETF, the volume are placed in the same
Yeah.
zone as the fair value gap. So everything is very clear right now. As Dimitra say, we had like accumulation phase for almost 2 month and a half. Finally, we broke above the 94, 95K, and now we are targeting the first big resistance that coincides with the fair value gap and with the option volumes.
Yeah, so life became way more easier with that smart money indicator. Yeah, because if we would not have that, uh, So we will not notice that zone, I think. I mean, this for our
Yeah,
fair value gap, yeah.
yeah,
So this
yeah.
will be like, oh my god, why it happened like that? But now we definitely know that it's because just fair value gap.
Correct, correct, correct. So the base scenario is consolidation, absorption of excesses, and preparation for the next impulse.
Yeah,
What do you
something
think,
like that.
Dimitro?
So in this, yeah, in these environments, actually the biggest mistake is chasing price. So you should never do that. Yes, the market shouldn't be forced. It should be read. So yeah, if we will chase price, probably I would say 99%, yeah, this will be a fail.
Yeah, I mean the price is just one component of the asset, guys. There is a more big and deep war behind. So price is the last thing you have to check.
Yeah.
So it's better to focus first on risk management, proper position sizing, and patient execution around key levels. We mark the key levels, Dimitro,
Yeah,
94K and 97,
97,
98.
yeah, something like that. And uh another key levels is at support zone, yeah, is at around 95k, something like that, yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah. I mean, is the previous support zone was at 85. That let the price bounce like three times, and now the support is the previous resistance at
yeah,
95, 94, 95. Yeah.
yeah, so like when price was at 82k, yeah, it was like a sale to buy Bitcoin. So
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. There was a huge discount
yeah,
on the discount zone. Yeah,
yeah, and we should always remember you don't need to catch the entire move. Just the high probability middle portion will be more than enough for us.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That wraps it up for this week. Constructive scenario, but without euphoria. So the market is doing exactly what it should be doing.
Yeah, keep following the data, not emotions, and that's exactly what we aim to do here at Altrady.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we cover all aspects from the price chart analysis, technical analysis, smart money analysis, fundamental macro insight, every aspect. So if you found this video useful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification. We are here almost every day, guys,
Yeah,
on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Sometimes maybe if there is a big news or important data that is coming out, we gonna react on that. Thanks, Dimitro.
yeah. Thank you, Rafa. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Soda.
Thank you, Soda. As always, nice to see you here. Thanks, guys. See you at the next live session, and happy trading, everyone.
Yeah. Bye, everyone.